Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Bluejay and JDK. For that, fire up your favorite browser, go to google.com and search here download JDK. From the first link, that is oracle.com, click here. In this page, click JDK download. In this page, download JDK. In my case, this is Windows 64 installer and I am going to download .exe file. Click it, accept the license agreement and download it. Now I have to download Bluejay. For that, go to google.com and search for download Bluejay. Go to the first link, that is bluejay.org. In this page, click here in Windows icon. It will automatically download Bluejay. Now Bluejay has been downloaded successfully. Close the browser, go to the C drive and downloads folder. First, you have to install JDK. For that, right click on it, run as administrator, next, and let it be installed. JDK installed successfully. Now install Bluejay. It is a very straightforward installation. Just follow the instruction. Bluejay has been installed successfully. Let me check whether Bluejay is installed successfully or not. For that, I have to run Bluejay. Now, Bluejay is running successfully. So, Bluejay has been installed successfully. Thank you for watching this video.